Hey folks, we're out here at Celebrity Goat Dairy out in Siler City, North Carolina. We're gonna be out here cooking with our Carolina cooker, making a big pot of duck gumbo. All right, first thing we gotta do is add our roux in. Pot's already hot. Next, we're gonna add in some andouille sausage and all of our chopped vegetables. Make sure we get that good and stirred up. And let it simmer about 10 minutes. All right, next we're gonna add our beef stock, our red wine, and the duck breasts. Stir it up real good. We'll let it cook about another hour, hour and a half. All right, folks. It's been about an hour and a half and the duck gumbo is ready. Look how beautiful that is. Just another example of how Carolina cooker can take your game to the next level.